GitHub sounds scary at first, but it's actually one of the simplest ideas in software development, and one of the most important. Imagine you're working on a project, and every time you make a change, you save a new copy, like final, final v2, final v3, really final. That chaos is exactly why GitHub exists. GitHub is a platform that helps developers store code, track changes, and collaborate without losing their sanity. At its core, GitHub is built on something called Git. Git is a version control system, which is a fancy way of saying it remembers every change you make to your code. If something breaks, you can go back in time. If your teammate breaks something, you can politely blame the commit history. Now let's talk collaboration. GitHub allows multiple developers to work on the same project at the same time without overwriting each other's work. You create branches to try new ideas safely, and when things work, you merge them back. When things don't work, you delete the branch and pretend it never happened. Very healthy. GitHub is also where open source lives. Millions of developers share their projects publicly, which means you can learn by reading real production code, contribute to popular libraries, and build a public profile that companies actually check. Yes, your GitHub profile can matter more than your resume. For beginners, GitHub feels confusing because it's not about writing code, it's about managing code. But once it clicks, you'll wonder how anyone ever built software without it. In short, GitHub is not just a website. It's a time machine for your code, a collaboration hub for teams, and your public proof that you can actually build things. If you want to be serious about coding, learning GitHub isn't optional. It's step one.